Welcome to the exciting second unit of the Expanding My First Scenario course. You're about to see your project come to life as it grows and evolves. Previously, you mastered the skill of implementing a router, a fundamental component that set the stage for what's to come. This unit takes you a step further by introducing the concept of filters, which play a crucial role in refining your data flow. Just as routers help direct traffic, filters allow you to manage the information, ensuring only the relevant data makes it through. Before we dive in, make sure your Make Foundation use case is open and ready. Together, we'll build on this foundation, expanding your scenario with new and dynamic elements. Let's get started. Filters are a powerful tool in your scenario building arsenal designed to manage the flow of data. Think of them as the gatekeepers, determining which pieces of information can pass through and which should be held back. This ability to control data flow is essential for any scenario aiming to be both efficient and precise. Imagine you're running a social media page that automatically saves posts with specific content. For instance, any post containing the keyword make.com could be saved and used for analytics or tracking trends. This is where filters shine, allowing you to streamline the data you gather. To put it simply, consider a concert where only ticket holders are allowed entry. Here, the filter works as a bouncer at the door, checking for tickets. If the condition, having a ticket, is met, entry is granted. If not, access is denied. This analogy helps illustrate how you can start manipulating data effectively, ensuring that only relevant information gets through. By incorporating filters, you begin to harness control over data, leading to more nuanced and impactful scenarios. Let's delve further into how you can apply these filters to different types of data. When working with filters, it's important to recognize the variety of information you can sift through. Filters are equipped with operators, which are tools that can refine data based on specific conditions. Among these are basic operators, text operators, numeric operators, and datetime operators. Let's focus on text operators. Imagine you're automatically sorting emails. You might want to pass through only those messages containing the word make. If a message includes made or mad, it won't meet the filter criteria. Think of it like setting a strict entry condition where only the precise match gets through. Consider a practical example. You want to let emails into your workflow if they have the keyword make in the address. The filter will check for this specific presence, allowing relevant data to continue through your scenario. This kind of targeted filtering helps ensure that you only process the data that's meaningful for your task. In the world of data management, text operators are powerful tools that help us sort through information based on specific text criteria. Imagine you're keeping an eye on a social media account. Text operators can automatically filter posts that contain specific words or phrases, making it easier for you to focus on the content that matters most. Here's how they work. A post can be filtered if it exactly matches a phrase like Make Academy. Alternatively, it can be flagged if it simply contains that phrase somewhere in the text. On the flip side, you can also filter out posts that don't include certain words or ensure a post starts with a particular greeting, such as hello. These options provide flexibility and precision, enabling you to tailor your data filtering to fit your unique needs. Whether you're scouring posts for insights or just keeping things organized, text operators are your go-to for smart, efficient data management. In this section, we're exploring the use of numeric operators to filter information. Numeric operators are incredibly useful when your data involves numbers such as temperature readings. Imagine you're running a scenario that keeps track of weather conditions. You want to filter the data based on certain temperatures. For instance, you might be interested in temperatures that are exactly 20 degrees. Alternatively, you might need to know if the temperature rises above a certain threshold, like 20 degrees, or perhaps falls below 15 degrees. We can also filter for temperatures that meet broader criteria, such as being greater than or equal to 25 degrees or less than or equal to 10 degrees. These filters help you manage your data effectively, ensuring you only analyze the information critical for your needs. Whether you're monitoring a weather station or assessing sensor data, understanding these numeric filters enhances your analytical capabilities. Welcome to exploring how date-time operators can enhance your data management. These operators allow you to filter information according to specific times and dates, providing a powerful tool for streamlining your workflows. Imagine you're running an e-commerce store. Your working hours might be from 9 to 5, but your orders can come in at any time. By using date-time operators, you can automatically flag orders placed outside of business hours. This way, you can focus on processing these orders first thing the next morning. For instance, you might set up filters to highlight orders placed after 5 p.m. or any time during the weekend. This ensures that nothing is overlooked and helps you prioritize effectively. Understanding these operators not only aids in efficiency, but also improves customer satisfaction, as you can manage and respond to off-hour orders promptly. Embrace these tools to gain better control over your data and optimize your operations. Before diving into adding your first filter, there's a bit of setup to do. Let's begin by preparing your Google Sheet for the upcoming exercises. Head over to your Google Sheet named Make Foundation Use Case. In this sheet, you'll need to add 2 more sheets. Label them above 20 inches and equal to or below 20. Though it might seem a bit mysterious right now, setting up these specific sheets will streamline the process later. We're organizing data this way to make it easier for you to apply filters effectively. So get those sheets ready, and soon you'll see how they fit into our broader instructional goals. Let's explore how you can add filters effectively to your modules. Filters are essential tools that allow you to streamline data flow and refine your operations with precision. There are 2 straightforward ways to add a filter to the routes between your modules. Firstly, you can left-click on any route connecting 2 modules. This action will automatically bring up the filter prompt for easy setup. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can right-click on the route and select Set up a filter from the menu that appears. This flexibility allows you to choose the method that best suits your workflow. These filter options are designed to ensure you have greater control over the data that's processed between your systems. Mastering these techniques will help you organize data efficiently, paving the way for a smoother operation. As you practice, remember that each stage of this process builds a foundation for a more organized and effective use case scenario. To start configuring your filter, you'll encounter the Filter Configuration screen where the first field you'll come across is labeled Label. While not mandatory, assigning a label is highly recommended. This label serves as a name or brief description that appears in your scenario interface. Think of it as a helpful way to keep everything organized. By clearly labeling your filters, you'll find it much easier to manage and update your scenarios in the future. For instance, you can label this filter as Temperature above 20. This simple step ensures that your workflow remains efficient and easy to navigate. Now that you've labeled your filter, it's time to add conditions and specify data types. In this step, we're focusing on setting up a condition where the temperature is above 20. Start by mapping the temperature in the first condition field. You'll notice that aside from numerical data, you can also work with types like dates and text. Knowing the specific data type is crucial because it helps in selecting the right conditions. For instance, hovering over your selected field will reveal that the temperature is a numeric value. Being aware of these data types ensures your filters are more effective and precise. This is especially important when working with diverse data sets, so you can draw accurate insights and streamline your processes efficiently. To add your filter, the next step involves selecting the appropriate operator, which determines how your data will be filtered. Start by clicking the drop-down beneath the field you've mapped. Initially, this will display operators for text, such as equal to. However, since we're dealing with numeric values, you'll want to scroll to find greater than under the Numeric Operators section. By doing so, you're instructing the system to include only those entries where the temperature exceeds a certain threshold. If you're ever unsure, you can type in the search field to quickly find your desired operator. Once you've chosen greater than, move to the next field and enter 20. This means your filter will only allow data where the temperature is above 20. After setting this condition, click OK and remember to save your progress. This step ensures your scenario reflects these changes, preparing it for seamless data handling. Now that we've set our filters, let's shift focus to finalizing the destination for our data. Start by accessing the Google Sheets module labeled Add a Row. Upon navigating to the configuration screen, locate the section marked Sheet Name. You'll see we've organized our data into 3 separate sheets. Sheet 1 above 20 and equal to or below 20. For this step, choose above 20 inches and confirm by clicking OK. Remember, it's crucial to save your scenario after making these changes. Completing this task ensures your data is properly allocated according to the filter criteria. With this setup, we're effectively dividing our data for more tailored analysis and insights. Now that you've set up your initial filter, let's explore how your scenario should be structured. First, you'll add another filter to the second module to capture temperatures less than or equal to 20 degrees. This step is crucial as it allows you to organize your data efficiently, directing it into different sheets according to the specified values. By implementing these filters, you enhance your scenario, enabling it to process and categorize information more effectively. Imagine this as an automated assistant sorting and placing your data precisely where it needs to go, based on the conditions you've set. Next, it's time to put this to the test. Use the Auto-Align and Explain flow tools to ensure everything is correctly organized in your scenario. This will give you a clear understanding of the sequence in which your automation processes the data. Once you're confident that everything is set, run your scenario to see the filters in action. Head over to your Google Sheets to witness how the data is divided neatly between the sheets. This hands-on experience is invaluable in visualizing the entire workflow and ensures that your automation is flawless. Congratulations on completing the unit on filters. Throughout this section, you've gained a solid understanding of what filters are and how they can transform the way you manage data. Filters allow you to refine information, enabling your scenarios to process data more selectively and efficiently. You've also learned about different types of data that can be filtered, providing you with the flexibility to tailor outcomes precisely to your needs. Moreover, you've explored how to add and configure filters in your scenarios, equipping you with the practical skills to apply these concepts in real-world situations. This foundational knowledge is essential as you continue to unlock more potential with the Make platform. As you move forward, the next unit will delve deeper into advanced filtering options, offering you even greater control and customization. When you're ready, take the next step to further enhance your skills and explore more possibilities with filters.